The voice of God. Oh my God. What is it? What is the voice of God speaker? Quite simply, it's a speaker that's above your head when you're listening to either a Neural X or an Auro 3D processed bit stream from your UHD 4K player. Or if you look back to another video, you've got a streaming device and you're streaming in 5.1 and you're having that process, that sort of unprocessed signal, then being processed by your AVR device, whether that's a soundbar or, well, actually, forget I said soundbar, because you can't have a voice of God speaker with a soundbar. You can only have it with an AVR, of course, or AVC. Potato, potato, tomato, tomato, that kind of thing. Yeah, so why would you even bother with the faff of bolting a speaker right above your head when Atmos is meant to be the thing, man? And well, here's the thing, as much as I love Atmos, and I do love Atmos, a good Atmos movie soundtrack is pretty decent. It's pretty good. With Atmos you get all the whizzy, soundy, height elements, and that's all great. But they're always fit, and I've felt this for years. I always felt, as long as when Atmos became sort of available to, Joe blogs like me, I jumped straight on board. And I remember just getting involved in it early on, a good number of years ago now, and just thinking, I get it around me, but why am I not getting it where I kind of feel I would feel it the most, if that makes sense? So it was only a good handful of years later that Neural X appeared in Auro 3D. And I investigated those a bit more. And I've had maybe 2 or 3 AVR, AVC devices since. And I've kind of used them as they've evolved over time and realized that, sometimes if you switch to Auro 3D or Neural X and you've got everything set up properly, because it's a pain in the arse sometimes with the one I've got now, Denon, to get it to configure properly for Neural X and Auro 3D with the speakers when you're calibrating them. That I found that there were many times where actually I would deliberately switch from the Atmos to the the Auro 3D or the Neural X. So if you've ever thought, and this is kind of an additional video to the one I was mentioning about, the Apple TV not doing Atmos great, and it doesn't. I wish it did. I wish it did better. All Apple need to do is, this is an aside, but all Apple need to do is to have a setting within their Apple TV to send it bitstream to your device. I wish they did that. I really wish they did that, but they don't. They could so easily bypass their own internal processing, but don't get me on that. Anyway, if you've ever thought that, if there's something that's relatively easy to add to your existing system that would make such a profound difference, and it really is quite profound, and that's not sort of hyperbole here, it really does make a huge difference. Give a voice of God speaker a go. They're not hugely expensive. Expensive? That's very Sean Connery, wasn't it? The one I've got there, I think, was 300 quid or so. You want something quite slim. that's designed. You can't necessarily get ones that are designed as voice of God speakers as such, but you can get, say, single good quality Atmos speakers and then get a flatter version of that, like that one there. I can't remember who made it. And then hoof it up onto the ceiling. Usually they come with brackets to allow you to do that easily, and then just use the ducting to go, down and around and faff around under the floor and so on, or around your room, like we all have to when you've got wired speakers. Anyway, that's the voice of God speaker. That's why you need a voice of God speaker, and that's why I recommend you go out and buy one. Give it a try. You will thank me later. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're interested in TVs and so on, and soundbars, look in the description. I put a list of TVs and so on that I feel are really good TVs in 2026. We've got soundbars, TVs, and so on. Give them a gander. There's also the stuff I use to clean surfaces and my TVs and the monitors and everything. You can buy that there if you're interested and you want to support the channel. Fabulous. See you in the next video. Take care.